can't enable the allow users to mention you feature on YouTube. If other users are unable to mention your channel, mentions aren't working properly, or the setting isn't available. In this video, I will show you how to allow users to mention you on YouTube. The first thing you have to do is to go to YouTube. Then here in this page of YouTube, you will move to settings. You will tap here on profile. You will go to settings. You will find this page of, you will click on privacy, and then you will tap here in this sign to allow users to mention you. So this is how it works. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe.